Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my existing subscribers, thank you for being there. It is so appreciated. And to my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look. Please keep watching. So I've already primed my eyes with a NYX jumbo pencil. And I'm just going to transition with this peachy color from the LA Gap palette in nudes, followed by the dark chocolatey color and gray. This is just to cut my crease and to define it a little. Though I'm still going to go in with this bluish color from the Morphe palette. This is just to further define my crease and to give it that shimmer. I'm also going to be applying this Glimmer of Gold by Mark to my eyes. This color, guys, is beautiful. I love the blend. I love the finished look. So I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Iglot eyeliner in 77. This is one popular eyeliner that I love so much. I'm using the NYX Extreme Shine eyeliner. This is to further define my tear dot area. To highlight, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and to contour, I'm using the Fashion Fair in Pure Brown. To set my highlights, I'm using the different powders that I've mixed together. Then to set my contour, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in NC46. Then to set the whole of my face to blend out all the harsh lines, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix in C6. I'm lining my lips with this brown lip pencil and then going in with this beautiful red lipstick from Nuba. Then I'm going to be using the MAC and NYX blush and also the BH Cosmetics highlighters for my highlight. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Yes, you can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. It's Bex Artistry. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.